reasons why dental implants fail quicker than they should. Hi, I'm Dr. Ash. I'm a dental implant surgeon, and I'm here to answer your biggest questions about missing teeth and dental implants. Unlike what you may think, dental implants do not last forever. And everyone seems to think that once they come in, you put a dental implant in, and it's, see you later, doc, this is going to be solid for a long time. And that is not the case. Actually, the average implant survival rate around the world is actually under 10 years. And this is due to a mixture of reasons, some of them which we're going to talk about today. At Westmount Dental, what we aim to do is allow our implants to be in the patient's mouth for 10 to 15 years. That's what we're aiming for. So what are the reasons for implants not getting that type of survival rate? Number one, it's the actual implant itself. There is a variety and a grading system amongst the implants. Implants are made of titanium, and within that there are 5 grades of titanium that actually tell you the strength of the implant itself. You should be aiming to get your implants done by a company who are providing at minimum grade 4 or preferably grade 5 titanium. Alongside this, it's what the surface treatment is like on the implant. So implant surfaces can be treated in many different ways in order for them to interact and integrate quite well with the bone. If you don't have any treatment done on the implant at all, your chances of that implant surviving are actually pretty low, and that's been scientifically proven. So you've got to make sure that the surface has been treated and it's etched so it allows better integration. Number 2 is the surgical skill of the dentist who's performing the implants. Putting the implant in the correct place with the correct amount of bone surrounding the implant circumferentially is absolutely crucial. Every implant surgeon should be aiming to get a minimum of 1.5 to 2 mils of bone around the implant and the right quality of gum tissue that is easily cleansable from the patient's perspective. If you don't have that, or the implant is placed what we call outside the envelope of function, the chances are that the bone is going to erode away and that implant is going to disintegrate, and that's a problem. And thirdly, and this is by far the most recognized reason why implants fail, is because the patients are not looking after them properly. What does this mean? They've not been trained or coached in how to clean those implants and look after them on a daily basis. But more importantly, they are not going back for regular reviews, both by the implant surgeon and more importantly, by the hygiene team. This allows us to pick up things really, really quickly and ensures that if there's a problem, we can fix it. And that means that you're going to get a lot longer out of your implants. So there you have it. 3 reasons why dental implants don't last as long as they should. If that was helpful, please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.